Time now for this hour's car review. I got to drive the 2024 Genesis GV80. If you're not familiar with it, listen up. I really did like this, and I would encourage you, if you're looking for something in this mode of standard SUV, midsize. This one had 2 rows, 3 rows are available. It comes in standard, advanced, prestige, prestige matte, prestige signature. I drove the prestige signature. This particular one had 4 bucket seats in it. That's it. It was bad to the bone. Exterior changes from last model year. Well, it was all new in 2023. Great looking front end with extra large, unadorned chrome grille. Also, extra large 22-inch wheels add to the modern look. Divided horizontal tail lights with the spoiler-style sunshade over the hatch window. Body sculpting is sleek with creases and sharp horizontal cues that all add to the beauty. What I liked, one beautiful design straight from a modern studio. What could use improvement? Nothing. I'm not a designer, but I'll tell you what, whoever did it needs a pat on the back. Interior highlights, sleek dash with a horizontal integrated air HVAC vents in it. Instrument pod is simple with a changeable display, whatever you want to put in there, except pictures. Optional quilted seating surfaces add an upscale elegance to the interior. Our 2-row with captain's chairs in the second row means modern elegance. I wrote that.
Yeah, very good.
Cargo trunk room, more than enough for a week's worth of luggage for 4 grown adults. What I liked, the adjustability throughout the cabin. What could use improvement? Well, the infotainment can be confusing at times, and the death knob controller above the shift knob controller is not the best idea. I can't tell you how many times I changed the radio station when I was trying to reach second gear.
Oh.
2 knobs.
Yeah.
Boom, boom. 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, which is standard in the upper trims. It's an option in the lower trims. 375 horsepower.
Wow.
391 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic transmission. It will tow up to 6,000 pounds. Miles per gallon, 18 in the city, 23 on the highway for a combined of 20. I got 20.3 miles per gallon over 430.6 miles. What I liked about it, I liked the power-to-weight ratio. It is perfecto mundo. What could use improvement? Well, me being a hot rodder and all, how about a battery electric assist option to increase the mileage and the power? Just an idea.
Yeah.
If they hadn't thought about it, maybe they will now.
They will.
Ride and handling. Electronically controlled suspension. So use your imagination. What would you think that would be like?
It would be a soft ride, I would think.
It would be, yes, very controllable, very smooth, but superb.
Okay.
What could use improvement? Question mark on that. Base trim price, $81,500. Price as tested, $82,695.
Wow.
Base model price, $57,000.
Very nice. That's better.
Now, if you're looking for something in the competitive nature to this vehicle and price range, look for the Mercedes-Benz GLE class, starts at $60,990. The BMW X5 starts at $67,500. Or the Audi Q7 for $59,200. All of those, obviously, German cars. This is, ladies and gentlemen, a Korean luxury vehicle.
Yeah. I was in it. I liked it. It was nice.
Ooh, buddy,
Beautiful car.
I'm telling you, it's not that often that I get to drive a vehicle that really turns me on, for lack of a better term. This one did.
And you're a driver. I mean, you
I am.
do that, so you get the aspect of everything out of it.
I do. Well, not everything, but almost everything.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'll tell you. Have you driven this thing, Mars?
Not that one. I think it was a 60 that I drove, but I was really impressed with it.
Holy cow. I mean, this is a very nice, well put together. Now, as far as reliability is concerned, it hasn't been on the road that long. I mean, it was brand new last year. But this is one sweet ride.
Feels
Gee
really
whiz.
solid, well
Oh
built.
my gosh, yeah.
It's comfortable.
Yeah, it really is. I enjoyed it a lot.
Very good.
If you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. We don't use your email for anything other than communication.
Send us an
We
email. Don't
send
shoot
it.
anything.
No, you're right. The address here is info@inwheeltime.com.